Hello students, welcome to our online classes. We had started chapter 4 from geography, the major landforms. In this chapter, we already discussed about the process of weathering, types of weathering and erosion. In today's video, we discussed about the major landforms developed by river and glacier. Let's start today's topic. River stages. There are three stages of river. The youthful stage, which is also known as upper stage or upper course of the river. Mature stage, which is also known as middle stage or middle course of the river. Old stage, which is also known as the lower course of the river. In youthful stage, a small fast flowing river high up in the mountains and erosion take place here. Mature or middle stage, wider but slower rivers flowing down gentler slopes. Erosion and deposition takes place here. And in old stage, very wide rivers flowing over a plain as they near the sea, and deposition take place here. So there are three stages of river. In youthful stage, small fast flowing rivers originating from mountains and erosion take place here. In mature stage, river is wider but slower and flowing down gentler slopes. And in old stage, very wide rivers flowing over a plain near the sea, and deposition take place here. Look at this picture. This picture shows the upper course, middle course and lower course of river. Source of the river means the place from where the river originates. So from the source, river originates and flows on a gentle slopes with very fast speed. And in middle course, the plains and the gentler slopes are there, and the speed of river is slow. And in lower course, the river flows in very wide manner. So this is the river model, and it describes the three stages of river. Upper course of a river. Now, what are the key terms? The source, mouth and river basin. The source is the place where the river originate. जहाँ से river originate होती है, that is known as the source. For example, Ganga is originating from Gangotri glacier. So the source of Ganga is a Gangotri glacier. Mouth, the place where the river joins another water body, is called the mouth. And we can say the end of the river. So the place where river joins the another water body. And river basin, the area drained by the river and its tributary, called the river basin. So gorge. Gorges and canyons refers to the some basic landforms developed by the river. The word canyon is widely used in the United States. In the term of gorge, it is widely used in Europe. So canyon is used in United States and gorge is used in Europe. Gorge and canyon represent very deep and narrow valleys having very steep valley side slope. Look at this picture. This picture shows the canyon. This is a gorges and this picture shows the canyons. So canyon have been formed through the long period of time and frequent erosion from plateau level, and gorges mainly formed because of the flow of water and lava. The walls of gorges and canyons are made of sandstone and granite. So this is the landform. Gorges and canyons are the landform developed by the river. Next one is V-shaped valley. When a river flows through a mountainous region made up a relatively soft rock with a plenty of rainfall, and the side of the banks of river are easily eroded and widened by increase in volume of the river water from time to time, and resulting into V-shaped valley. Look at this picture, student. This picture shows the landform developed by the river. So V-shaped valley formed when river, for example, river is originating from this place and river eroded the river easily eroded and widened by increase in the volume of water. जैसे जैसे रिवर का पानी बढ़ता जाएगा तो ये आसपास की जो प्लेस हैं ये सब इरोड हो जाएंगी, डिक्रीज होती जाएंगी और एक वैली का फॉर्मेशन हो जाता है. वो उस वैली को हम क्या कहते हैं? वी शेप्ड वैली. वाटरफॉल. A waterfall is a steep descent of river over a rocky ledge. When the river water falls down almost vertically from sufficient height along the course of the river, it forms a waterfall. So, a waterfall may be defined as vertical drop of water. Waterfall is defined as vertical drop of water, and waterfall are caused of factors: variation in the relative resistance of rock, relative difference of topographic relief, and the fall of the sea level and earth movement. Basically, waterfall is a vertical drop of water of enormous volume from great height in the long profile of the river. So another landform developed by river is waterfall. Next one is middle course of the river. In the middle course, the river enters the plain. As the gradient decreases, the flow of rivers flow down and the volume of water increases. So, in middle course river enters the plain and the river flows, the volume of the water is increases, and the river in the on the middle course developed some typical landforms, and these landforms are floodplains, meanders, and oxbow lake. Now, what is floodplain? A floodplain is a low flat area on land either side of a river. An area of flat land near a river is often flooded when the river becomes too full. And area of low-lying ground adjacent to the river formed mainly of river sediments and the subject of flooding. So basically, this area is known as floodplain, and floodplain is the low flat area of land on the either side of a river. So this is on the either side of the river. Now, meanders. As the gradient is almost flat, the river's movement becomes to fro and it develops as shaped. Look at this picture, students. The river develop flowing in S shaped. So this S shaped is this loop is known as meanders. Where such meanders occur, the river can be described as the meandering rivers. And Oxbow Lake. And Oxbow Lake is a produce when a meander forms almost a complete circle with a narrow neck. Again, look at this picture. Meander and Oxbow Lake is correlated with each other. This loop formation is basically a meander, but when this loop is look at these loops are oxbow lakes. Meanders cut a wider curve as a faster currents eroded the outer bank of the slower current deposit material along in the inner bank. अब क्या है कि जब मियांडर्स में क्या होता है, लूप्स होते हैं, और इन लूप्स जब ये पूरी तरह से कंप्लीट लूप हो जाता है तो ये क्या होता है, कट हो जाता है रिवर से, और इसी कट हुए पीस को हम क्या बोलते हैं, ऑक्सबो लेक. Lower course of the river. In the lower part of or course of the river flows very slowly. It is so because the surface of the land is flat and the load it carries is too much. So in the lower part or lower course of the river flows very slow and the surface of land is flat and deposition take place. Delta. The So when river reaches the sea or ocean, the fine sediments are deposited at its mouth and form fan shaped alluvial area. This is known as delta. Look at this picture. This picture shows the delta area. The river, when the river reaches the sea, this is the river and this river reaches the sea and this formed such structure, and this structure is known as delta. So this is all about today's topic. Thank you, students.